Hello everyone, this is what I learned today. Induction heating is the process of rapidly heating an electrically conducting object by electromagnetic induction. Centripetal versus centrifugal, the beer stays in the glass. Chapeau and thanks for the physics lesson. After a search of neutron stars finds preliminary evidence for hypothetical dark matter particles called axions, astrophysicists are devising new ways to spot them. This is the CAST Axion telescope tracking the sun from inside a building at the CERN. Surfing is an elegant sport, sometimes is even more elegant than usual. This remarkable picture of Almaty, Kazakhstan, taken by Igor Jefimovs in January 2014, shows an impressive separation of a very thick smog and open air due to a very intense inversion. Born today in 1891, James Chadwick was physicist and 1935 Nobel Prize winner in physics for his discovery of the neutron in 1932. A 35mm camera captured this view of the Space Shuttle Columbia STS-73 as it lifted off 26 years ago today. Gustav III Airport SA public-use airport located in the village of St. Jean on the Caribbean island of St. Barthélemy. This video by Sam Watt shows how airplanes land there, with the addition of windy conditions. This is the site of the coal dumper dumping machine at the Wanghua Port Coal Terminal of China National Energy Group. It is equipped with an O-rotor 4-turn dumper, which can turn 8 cars in 2 groups at a time. In Kenya, elephant excretions are used to make paper. Elephants poop up to 50 kilograms a day, which can produce approximately 125 sheets of paper. This helps save the indigenous tree population and forest from being destroyed and creates a need for the 7,000 elephants in Kenya. Cuttlefish and cephalopoda in general are authentic masters of disguise. They can change appearance and shape in seconds. Over human history, out of about 30,000 edible plant species, just 6–7,000 have been cultivated for food. Yet, today only 170 crops are grown on a commercially significant scale and just 3 crops provide 40% of our daily calories intake. This video by YT channel NIMSPR provides a brilliant and simple demonstration of thermal expansion. Spaghetti bridges are architectural models made of uncooked spaghetti or other hard, dry, straight noodle generally constructed for both educational experiments and competitions. Here's Nicholas de Franconi testing a very peculiar one. Where did the chemical elements of the solar system come from? This periodic table by Jennifer Johnson shows the origin of the elements in the solar system. Bubble net feeding is a cooperative feeding method used by groups of humpback whales to disorient and corral the fish into a net of bubbles. Seen from above, the bubbles have often interesting spiral-like patterns. Calima genus common name, oak leaf butterflies, is a reference to the lower surface of their wings, which is various shades of brown like a dead leaf. Extraordinary camouflage, outstanding beauty. Caracal's ears each have more than 20 muscles that swivel around to detect sounds of their prey. The tufts may enhance sound going into their ears or be used to communicate with other caracals. This 2012 animation made by NASA Goddard Space Flight Center shows the evolution of the Moon, 4.5 billion years in 2 minutes.